tutorial. In this tutorial I will be showing you how to optimize your Windows 10. Yeah, boy. So first you type check for updates, of course, so you have the latest ones. Okay, Windows update and check for the latest one. Sorry guys, it's taking forever for me. I have slow PC now. Yeah, and just click install now and everything. Okay, so your device is missing important security and quality fixes, so this improves a lot of things, so do that. Go to apps and and features, and what are you going to do there is oh my god, okay, apps and features, and you can uninstall something that you don't need here. Okay, so it's gonna improve. Go to default apps, and here you can adjust this also. Okay, and yeah, startup, this is important. You just uncheck what you don't need, like me. Update. Okay, and yeah, this will also improve. Okay, so type here task manager. Oh, and here you can see something startup. Okay, so you disable what you don't need here, and it's gonna improve important. Yeah, also I don't like to install third-party programs, so this is all, you know, like default, I mean, which doesn't need anything. Okay, so go to power options, edit power plan. Here you can set, but put the computer to sleep, you can set to never if you like, and here you can see power options, and here you can see balanced. This will be if you didn't change it, set on high performance, or if you want more, you go to, sorry guys, a second, you need to go to CMD. Okay, sorry, CMD, and open it. Okay, and type power CMD. Okay, I'm gonna put it in description. Okay, so you can, you know, sorry, okay, type like this. My bad, sorry, because I wanted to type just you guys would, but you won't, because you just click the description, and yeah, they added this power scheme, and this, yeah. So just if it doesn't show right away, go to hardware and sound, and go power option again. I misclicked it twice. Okay, and go to ultimate performance, go to change plan, change advanced power setting. You can check this also. Internet Explorer, you don't have to do this. I mean maximum performance, and go processor minimum, set 100. This is active, and this, but it's gonna be set by default, I think, on ultimate performance, but yeah. Okay, so search gaming mode. Okay, sorry, game mode, settings, and select it on. I don't know why it's on for me, but yeah. Location, privacy settings, location. Okay, just uncheck this. Okay, yeah. And go to Windows button, run, percent app data percent, and we are going to do is go to local, temp, and delete everything. I already did that. Okay, so here it's gonna be temp here, and just click it and delete everything. Okay, Control A and delete everything. Okay, I'll go to disk cleanup and go to DRC. It depends. Okay, and it's gonna calculate, and you can select here. So if you guys want download, if it depends, you can delivery optimization and thumbnails. You don't need temporary files. Maybe you will need, I wouldn't suggest to do that. Recycle bin, okay, you can do that. Deliver optimization files, and this one, these two also, and you can get some space also, yeah. And go to CMD and type CFC, scan now. Oh, sorry, my bad. You need to run it as administrator, okay? Scan now. And yeah, it's gonna scan. And yeah, and that is it, guys. That is tutorial for maximum optimization. The only thing left you can personally do, but that can reduce your look. Go to here, advanced system settings, go to settings, and just adjust both for best performance. Smooth edges, select this, smooth thumbnails, and smooth scroll list, slide open combo. Yeah, this 4, so it's gonna look better. But if you want best performance, just do like this. But I won't do it because it doesn't improve that much, but it's gonna look awful. But you can select some things like smooth edges and everything, so it's gonna look better and you have performance. And yeah, that's it, guys. That is for this tutorial, and goodbye.